Hi, today I'm part of the MOTOROLA Moto G53 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to create a new home screen folder, we should hold for a while the app and drag this up to the another one. By this way, we just successfully created the new home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here just more application. As you can see, that's so simple. If you want to give the name to this app, just tap here to edit name or to the name of your folder if you want to rename it and enter the new one. Tap OK after that. Just to move the folder between the screens on the screen, just hold the folder and drag it. As you can see, we can also create the new screens with the folder. Just to remove the application from here, you should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, just hold the application and drag it to remove icon. Don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. Also, if you want to remove all of the applications with the folder together, just hold the folder there and drag it to remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.